Give me all you've got. If you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking. We are the dreamers.
Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. I actually went live about this sell signal yesterday. I went live yesterday being Friday, okay? I say you're gonna sell, they're going to take people out, but I'm going to sell when I see a stop loss hunt. I finally got this stop loss hunt here and the double bottom confirmation, so I have to sell. I told you I was targeting about 10,000 pip, and this is it, over 10,000 pip. Take profit, take profit, take profit. Each position, take profit, okay? WINFXTRADING is optimizing traders to be among the people that win. They say 1% win in this market. I'm making it 50%, okay? All you need to do is to do basically two things. Join my VIP signal group, change your life, or enroll for my course and become educated to do the same thing I'm doing, okay? You need impartation. You need to be educated, okay? These are the two basic things. Maybe the third one, if you wish, become my affiliate. You literally make passive income doing nothing. Just converting your network, your followers to a multi-million dollars, okay? You see, the live I went yesterday wasn't a vain. I was actually monitoring this market for them to perform what we call the stop loss hunt, and they did that. And you see what is happening today is selling massively, respecting the previous zone it broke, okay? I will end this video. If you like this type of content and you really want to be rich, make sure you turn on the bell notification, make sure you hit the subscription button. This year 2023 we are coming with the millionaires in the boom and crash. What I tag boom and crash millionaire course. The course has been prepared, but it remains the advertisement or the ad run. Once I start advertising it on YouTube, a lot of people are going to be made millionaire just trading boom and crash. Promise me that you will not miss this opportunity, and I promise you that you will be the richest ever if you really participate in the course, okay? It's not the only course I offer. It depends on what you want. I offer multiple courses. Let me show you something. Okay, you see, these are courses, about 9 courses that I offer, okay? So, but it's just 2023. I decided to capitalize on, you see, every year as a human being, you have to achieve something. So what makes you people lose a lot and blow your account, and every year you cannot achieve anything? You will be there looking on people that are making it, but you can't achieve anything. The reason is because you trade V75, you trade jump indices, you trade boom and crash. That is not the key to succeed. Look at my voice. Let me tell you, if you want to succeed, you need to be serious, okay? One asset is okay to make you rich, okay? And that's why WINFXTRADING is optimizing people. So that's why instead of teaching people to do all the courses, like teaching people or educating people to be trading many assets, I'm educating you to be in your own specialty. Have your own area of concentration. Monitor the chart on that. I'm telling you, there is no way, if a man is focused, standing on the fence, waiting for a bed, one single bed to come. When that bed comes, the person will catch it. Even if he miss it, it will come again, you catch it. So if you focus on one asset, imagine I didn't focus on volatility 75 index. Do you think I will make this huge profit? No. This is over $20,000 plus. So it's not a matter of going to one asset and blowing your account. Maybe you blow $100,000 on one asset. Next day you go and borrow money from bank, and you go to others and still blow it because you are not focused. Are you getting me? So think about it. You have to change your life. Okay, I'll be ending this content. Try to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Bye for now.
If you're prepared to break the silence,